Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trin, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trin, we'll be unboxing the PowerA enhanced wired controller for Xbox. So I got this from Walmart on clearance for $15. $15 on clearance from Walmart. Today we will be unboxing this thing and checking this controller out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the PowerA enhanced wired controller that is designed for Xbox. Here we have the blue color wired controller from PowerA. As you can see on the top right corner, this has mappable buttons, a headset dial, and a share button that is exclusive for current gen Xbox Series X and S consoles. Here are the sides of the box. Here we have an image of a controller, and on the right side of the box it talks about the key features about the PowerA enhanced wired controller. We went over how this has two mappable advanced gaming buttons, has a superior ergonomic and intuitive button layout, it has an immersive dual rumble motors, it has a share button to capture and share screenshots and clips, and it has a volume dial with one touch mic mute. So here's the box contents, which has the enhanced wired controller, a detachable 10-foot USB cable with cable tie, and a user manual. So here you can see that it is designed for Xbox Series X and S, as well as the Xbox One. I'm not sure how this would work for the Xbox 360 if we're going back to that generation. Here's the bottom side of the box, which comes with a limited warranty and a barcode. You want to look this exact product up. And here's the back side of the box. So the back side of the box talks about the features of the enhanced wired controller. This has an anti-friction ring for smooth motion. It has a share button for in-game screen captures and video clips. It has a headset dial where you can adjust the game volume as well, mic mute for your wired headsets. This doesn't take batteries since this is a wired controller. It has a dual rumble motors, and it comes with a detachable 10-foot USB cable. And here is the back side of the controller. It has a advanced gaming buttons on the fly button mapping. It comes with a 3.5mm headset jack and dial, and it has a molded diamond pattern for improved comfort and grip. So that is all for the back side of the box. Here we have some more details, which we already went through, and comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Play your way, and from PowerA. And with that being said, let's go ahead and take our X-Acto knife out, which we have right here, and finally unbox the PowerA enhanced wired controller. So this is a cheaper alternative to the official Xbox controllers. This is wired controller, so it doesn't take batteries. But for $15, this on clearance, this was definitely a steal. Usually I think they sell this for like $30. But once we open up the box, here it is. Here we have the PowerA enhanced wired controller. Here's the 10-foot USB cable. And unfortunately, this is still has a micro USB, so this is not USB-C. And here's the USB-A port. And yeah, so it comes with a 10-foot cable. And let's remove the top part. And I think this works on PC, so this would be a good controller if you want to have this for PC. So here it is. Here is the PowerA enhanced wired controller. Here we have the user manual. Let's fold that out. So basically it talks about all the features that we discussed on how to map buttons. And yeah, so I think it's pretty basic here, pretty straightforward. All you have to do is plug into your Xbox console or PC and it should automatically play. And here it talks all about the buttons and the features. Be sure to pause the video if you want to read that part. But with that being said, here's a closer look at the 10-fit USB cable with a tie. And like I said, unfortunately it doesn't come with USB-C, so be aware of that. And now here is the blue PowerA enhanced wired controller. Here's the back side. Really love the color here. My favorite color, blue. Here are the mappable buttons. You have 3 buttons on the back side of a controller, and here's the front. So this is a super lightweight controller. Here is your volume switch along with the buttons here. It's so clickety. Let's see. And it feels comfortable. As you can see right there, as I push down every button. And now, and here's your 3.5mm headset jack. And on this side of the controller, here it takes micro USB to power this on. Really love the grip here. It is in plastic. So in the previous episode of Unboxed with Oxford, I also did this unboxing for PowerA controller. So it's basically the same thing without the 3 buttons on the back side. And after having this for like a few years, it works great. So I really love the white and black as well as the blue color. And here's the official Microsoft Xbox Series X controller. And let's compare the button feel. And as you can see right away, the buttons, the triggers especially, it has more of a high quality feel to it other than the PowerA ones. So it has more like a quiet feel, while the PowerA has more of a clicky type feel. You can like hear the sound of you pushing the button on the PowerA compared to the official Xbox Series X ones. So what I notice here is that it has a 3.5mm jack, but also a port for the keyboard, unlike the PowerA right here. And here, as you can see, this is what I'm talking about. This the new Xbox controllers take USB-C, so we want to be aware of that. So yeah. So let's go ahead and take out a controller from the Xbox One generation. This is specifically for the Xbox One X. And here you can see this took micro USB, which would work well with this PowerA. And yeah, so Microsoft just really did really just refined the controller from Xbox One to Xbox Series X. As you can see there, like nothing too significant. You can see the change here, and here are the backside. So they're just like identical twins. And yeah. So that's about it for the unboxing of the PowerA Xbox Enhanced wired controller. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below when you think about this controller. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unboxed with Alex, and I'll see you on the next one.